Hi, I'm Gozde.
Hi, I'm Anthony, and welcome to the Fintech Showcase.
The Fintech Showcase brings together some of the most novel, emerging financial technology firms in assets, wealth management, and digital finance sector.
The world's best fintechs run on Morningstar data, and we are committed to helping enrich the fintech ecosystem with our data, research, and analytics. We've invited 60 candidates this year to tell their story, with a focus as for how they help investor outcomes and how they deliver value.
We also invited the winner of last year's MIC Fintech Showcase to introduce the videos, Andres Garcia from Zoe Financial.
An independent committee selected Zoe Financial on the basis of their potential to be transformative in the wealth and asset management space, their impact to investor behavior, and their ability to serve new investor types.
Let's now have a listen.
Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Andres Garcia-Amaya, and I'm the founder and CEO of Zoe Financial. Zoe is a digital marketplace that connects consumers that are looking to hire independent fiduciary financial advisors within our own pre-vetted network. Zoe is also the winner of the Best FinTech of Show Award at the Morningstar Investment Conference in 2019. So what the showcase is all about is about giving the opportunity to celebrate promising emerging fintechs that are really innovative and pushing the industry forward. We were blown away that we won considering how tough the competition was. And the best part of it, outside of the recognition, was that the prize was a one-on-one lunch with the CEO of Morningstar, Kunal Kapoor. Now, Kunal was an amazing guy. Not only he shared with us the vision of for the company as well as for the industry, but I think what was so refreshing was to meet a CEO of a publicly traded company that has such a strong moral compass. Now, in this video that you're about to watch, we invited candidates for this year's conference to answer a few questions about their company, what their value proposition is, as well as how they're empowering consumers towards better financial outcomes. Enjoy the clip.
Halo is a solutions-based fintech platform that puts the needs of advisors and investors before itself or structured note issuers. Halo delivers on this mandate by being the first to offer defined outcome and protective investing to the masses, with no hidden fees or agendas. Many investors would agree that proper portfolio management is not about hitting home runs. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Advisors need tailored investments that protect against black swan events like COVID-19, while still producing a reasonable rate of return to get them through retirement. Halo provides this solution to advisors for the very first time, while delivering a suite of tools where advisors can analyze and customize the most suitable protective investing product for their clients without the worry of being solicited on specific product. This puts the power back into advisors' hands while delivering better outcomes for their clients in this extraordinary time of need. Going further, Halo has partnered with Morningstar, where advisors will now have the power of Halo backed by best-in-class Morningstar research, protective investing solutions linked to Morningstar indices, and incorporating Morningstar Analytics into Halo's award-winning portfolio management tools. There is no better time than now for protective investing.
Advisors increasingly recognize that effective disclosure builds trust with their clients. If we can make it simple for an advisor to meet compliance requirements with transparent disclosure, we believe that we're contributing to that investor relationship. Ultimately, we believe in the best interest movement, and many of our clients do as well. If we can be part of that best interest journey with our clients, we know that the ultimate customer, the investor, will not only be protected, but will thrive.
Investors want to be understood. They want their portfolios and preferences known. But questionnaires and dialogue don't and can't get all of their ideas across in a precise way. Our technology empowers clients to show us how they make decisions with their money and allows us to recover their true preferences from their choices. How does it work? The end investor makes a series of decisions that takes less than 90 seconds and mathematically reveals information they couldn't discern otherwise, including a client's universal risk attitude, their sensitivity to losses, and their overall decision consistency or economic rationality. We then mathematically align an investor's revealed preferences with the portfolio that is the best fit for them. We help investors understand their true preferences. We empower advisors by allowing them to personalize investment suitability for their individual clients. Because we rely on actions and not words, we can easily operate across countries and regions, allowing large firms to have a consistent understanding of investor behavior across geography.
ChartIQ is helping our customers achieve better outcomes in a number of ways. I think that we're bringing the best-of-breed data visualization tools to the marketplace for pre-trade, trade, and post-trade in a time where data consumption and the number of data applications is extremely high for users generally. Secondly, for our desktop interoperability platform, Finsemble, I believe that we are setting the trends for the future of the desktop. We're creating workflow efficiencies and saving time and money in development efforts across the board. And I look forward to continuing to set trends and work with our customers to achieve their desired results.
Bond IT is a portfolio construction technology purpose-built for fixed income that empowers both portfolio managers and advisors to deliver better outcomes for clients. The Bond IT platform is data agnostic and completely configurable, automating time-consuming portfolio management workflows. Portfolio managers and advisors use our optimization algorithms to generate trade ideas and portfolio repositioning suggestions with stunning speed and risk analytics to support real-time decision-making. Advisors' client proposals can now be generated in minutes rather than hours, enabling advisors to scale their prospecting efforts, both elevating and simplifying their client engagement around fixed income. Bond IT is an independent, cloud-hosted, API-ready fixed income platform that seamlessly integrates with your internal and external data, models, and order management and execution systems. We're pushing fixed income forward by enabling scale, efficiency, and client engagement with our powerful portfolio construction engine paired with our intuitive user interface. It's the Bond IT Portfolio Manager experience, and we're excited to share it with you.
I think the single biggest impact that we've made to helping advisors communicate with clients is making sure that people have better understanding of what they're dealing with today versus what they've done in the past. And there's something that happens when you understand the entire landscape of the family and the decisions you're making. It enables you to be empowered to make better decisions contextually. How does this work with this? How does the investments work with my insurance, with my cash flow, with my debt? And this is important because very often we're making decisions in a vacuum. So I think that one of the bigger value propositions of where you're going to see advice move to in the future is creating more of a common facilitated conversation between a professional or group of professionals and the customers they serve to make sure that there's intentionality behind the decisions that they're making. When you can tie this to financial planning, intentionality of decisions, and financial planning, tracking progress, it becomes incredibly powerful and very impactful to investors in the real space of making decisions.
We tie together the most important information, analyze and process the data to give investors the bigger picture. This is done through intuitive tools for readers to explore, monitor, and analyze the markets all in real time. Our platforms can use data from any source, giving the investors insights from multiple data sources. We are a firm believer that even the most specialized analysts like to get information served in a user-friendly and intuitive way. With our real-time technology, you have the latest prices, news, analysis right at your fingertips, streaming in real time.
At Livefield, we've started using this term, smart householding. Really what we're saying is once we've gained a view of all of the assets within a client's household, how do we optimize that household and implement a strategy to help improve their after-tax rate of return? We do this by asset location optimization and the tax efficient score. So taking all of the assets within a household and optimizing them to get the clients as much money as possible and avoid unnecessary taxes. By improving their outcomes, we also improve the revenue of the advisor. If we can eliminate unnecessary taxes, it allows those advisors' assets to grow, and deferring those taxes longer allows them to receive more revenue from the accounts that are inside a smart householding strategy.
We point our investors where to look within their portfolio. We allow for certain lenses which can be applied on top of your portfolio. And these can be risk, ESG or opportunity lenses or something fully custom. With this setup, the users will be guided to the companies in their portfolio that require immediate attention. These enhanced and more timely insights, they will improve the client's risk control and they will improve the performance of the portfolio. The platform itself is available as a dashboard, an API, or a Salesforce add-on.
Digital assets are one of the few remaining markets that trade 24/7. This around-the-clock activity, coupled with the global nature of trading, means that investors need technology and automation tools now more than ever. From clean market data to order book analytics and alert systems, Consilium gives active managers the tools they need to efficiently analyze and access digital asset markets. Whether you're managing $100,000 or $100 million, these solutions are here for you. Client expectations are evolving and capital markets continue to become more algorithmically driven. These changes mean that asset managers will have to embrace more sophisticated, data-driven approaches to minimizing risk. Consilium offers a unified, transparent view of global price and liquidity for thousands of tradable assets, allowing analysts and asset managers to efficiently monitor global supply and demand.
In this low return environment, investors are chasing for better risk-adjusted returns to improve their financials and retire on time. Also, investors need to challenge the status quo. Just 1% extra returns will generate 14% more assets every 9 years. That's where our cutting-edge technology comes in place. Our multi-factor portfolio has been outperforming the benchmark with a lower risk. Our goal is to leverage technology to improve investors' outcome. That's what we're good at, and that's what we've been doing for the last 20 years, helping investors achieve better outcome.
Our impact statement and impact score are built and suited for money managers, wishing one, to better evaluate the growing social and environmental risks of their investments, and secondly, to improve their profitability by investing in sustainable, resilient companies tackling social and environmental issues. As we often say, $1 invested in a company with a higher impact score will have more chances of producing a positive impact than $1 invested in a company with a lower score. And our solution allows precisely that by reporting and tracking the real social and environmental impacts, both positive and negative, of any company or organization, whether it be Unilever or your local vegan restaurant chain. The impact of every line and every asset is reported and tracked, allowing asset managers to do the same with their own portfolios.
How are we empowering our customers? We're doing it in two ways. The first is related to developers. Our platform enables developers to build and deploy applications to end users at a much, much faster pace than was ever previously possible. That means they can get the latest and greatest to the end users and iterate really quickly and get feedback that continuously improves the product. For end users, they are able to receive all of those apps and all the information and intelligence that comes with it. That makes them much more productive, allows them to make faster and better decisions, and make use of all of the wealth of information that has been made available to them by their firm.
We hope you enjoyed the Fintech Showcase.
You should also watch the second video on the Morningstar YouTube page where the fintechs speak to their unique value proposition.
Join us at Morningstar Investment Conference on September 16 and 17 for a digital version of the Fintech Showcase. See you soon.